While reviewing the proof PDF in WYCIWYG, PageMagic's online proofreading interface, you may want to adjust spacing. To add a line, click on the XHTML file and position the cursor on location. Click on the instruction icon. In the pop-up pane, select the drop-down and choose the option space. The unit of measurement is points. 12 points is considered a line space. Click OK, save and exit the interface. Then click on the action Generate Revises to update the changes in the proof PDF. Remember, if you change the style of the paragraph after creating the line space, the properties of the style defined in the InDesign template take precedence, and the existing space instruction applied would be ignored. In this scenario, you can remove the added instruction and redo the adding of line.